All right, that was my chocolate chip cookie dough log that I'm gonna put to the side. And now I'm gonna bring in my 12 mini graham cracker crusts that I am laying out on my muffin tin just for easier transportation. And we are just putting one in each of our muffin tin holes. I'm next gonna come in with my Hershey's milk chocolate. You can use whatever chocolate you like. This is just what I had in my fridge. And we're just gonna break off pieces. It doesn't need to be perfect squares, but we're gonna add about 2 of our squares right into each of our little graham cracker crumbs. Now you can mix this up and do like some Reese's in there, or you can add some of the cookies and cream Hershey's, whatever you like, you can add to the bottom of our graham cracker crust. But this is gonna be such an easy and delicious kind of summer dessert that everyone will love. I promise you that. And that giant size is the perfect size for our dessert. All right, we have our cookie dough on the side still, but now I'm bringing in some mini marshmallows, and we're gonna add a generous amount of marshmallows on top of each of our little graham cracker crusts. Now I know this might just seem like a simple s'mores dessert, but this is gonna be so much better, so tasty. Your kids are gonna love it, your family will love it. I like making this on a Sunday summer night because it's easy to put together and it tastes incredible. This is literally one of my family's favorite desserts. Okay, let's go ahead and get those few flying ones right in there. Okay, now the last thing we're adding to this is our cookie dough. And I did let my cookie dough soften a little bit, so we're gonna just smash that. I'm using the Pillsbury cookie dough, but you could obviously do a homemade cookie dough or the Toll House. This one is just my favorite. And we're using this as our top crust on our delicious graham cracker crust. Just like this, try to cover up those marshmallows the best you can. And look how fun that is. We just have our cookie dough crust with our marshmallows, our Hershey's chocolate, and those fun little mini graham cracker crusts. You could do this in like a big form, but it's harder to serve because those marshmallows get nice and gooey and that chocolate kind of melts. So I think the mini ones are just absolutely perfect for this. And we are gonna go ahead and finish covering up these delicious little pies so they can go in the oven. All right, these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna be in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh my, these smell absolutely insane. Oh, you can see the marshmallow kind of puffing out and our cookie dough looks nice and golden. The only thing this is missing, and obviously this is optional, is some vanilla ice cream. Oh my, and we're just gonna grab our scoop because I use the scoop for everything. You guys can use whatever you want, but you know I love my scoop and I am not gonna steer away from it. Add a scoop just like so. Look how perfect that is. All right, and we're just gonna, oh, but that looks absolutely so tasty. Now remember, the Pillsbury dough is safe to eat raw, so if it's a little underdone, I won't tell anybody. Okay. Oh, and look at that chocolate underneath there. It's completely melted. This is heaven for me. No way.
Is it good?
No way. Mm. Mm. I love it.